Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by confirming both accounts are active and accessible. This saves time. Sign into War Thunder using your Xbox Live credentials, then make sure your Xbox and Steam emails match or are reachable. Once done, enable two-factor authentication if offered for safety. Next, open the War Thunder account management page and navigate to Account Bindings. You'll see an option to link Xbox to Steam. Start that linking flow now to move to the authorization step. Now you'll authorize the connection. Choose Link Xbox Account and follow the Xbox Live permission prompts. Grant only required scopes. Make sure you're signed into Steam in the same browser or client. When the War Thunder Steam Association prompt appears, accept it to allow the link. Once both authorizations complete, return to War Thunder account settings and confirm that your Xbox ID and Steam ID are both displayed. If not, repeat the authorization steps slowly and watch for pop-up blockers. Finish by syncing your in-game profile, claim cross-platform items, and migrate any progression flags that the link enables. After the link, restart War Thunder on Xbox and Steam so the servers register the change. This forces a fresh credentials check. If something goes wrong, make sure browser pop-up blockers are disabled, clear cookies and cache, and repeat the authorization. Sometimes the link fails due to cached sessions. If you still can't link, contact War Thunder support and provide both account ID for help.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.